Two more important angle relationships are complementary and supplementary angles. Complementary angles are two angles that add up to 90 degrees, and supplementary are going to be two angles that add up to 90 degrees. They have pictures down here, so complementary. Notice how if I take angle 1 plus angle 2, that would add up to 90 degrees. Or if I took angle A and angle B, add them together, that gets me 90 degrees. Supplementary angles, so like angle 3 plus angle 4, that is also considered a linear pair. So yes, a linear pair are supplementary angles, along with like angle P and angle Q. If I add those together, that's going to get me 180 degrees. So an example, find the measures of two supplementary angles if the difference in the two angles is 18. So I'm going to start by drawing myself a picture. So I have supplementary angles, so I know that they add up to 180 degrees. There we go. And it tells me that the difference in the two angles is 18. Well, I don't know what either one of them is, so I'm going to say that one of them is x. That means that the other one, if I say is the difference between the two is 18, that means this one should be x minus 18. We can create an equation out of this. Both angles add together to equal 180. There's my equation. X and x is 2x. If I add over 18, that's going to get me 198. And then if I divide by 2, that's going to get me x equaling 99. And notice that that is one of the values. That's one of the angles. X equals 99 degrees. I can either take 180 minus 99 to get the other angle measure, or I can take the 99 and plug it into this side and go 99 minus 18. Either way, the other angle measure is going to come out to 81 degrees. So there's my two angles. We can do something similar with complementary angles. It's really the same thing, except instead of 180, we're dealing with 90 degrees. So find the measures of two complementary angles. So we know that those add up to 90 degrees. So I'll draw in my complementary angles. If the measure of the larger angle is 12 more than twice the measure of the smaller angle. Again, I don't know what either one of these angles are, so I'm just going to say that the smaller one is x. And then it tells me that the larger angle is 12 more. I'm going to add on 12 and take this one times 2. So 2x plus 12. 12 more than twice. Twice means multiply, so 2 times x plus 12 more is my angle. So now I'm going to take my two angles, x plus 2x plus 12, and that's going to equal 90. So I have 3x equaling, let's see here, 78. And then I'm going to divide by 3. X is then going to get me a value of 26. Again, that 26 represents this angle measure. I can now take 26 and subtract it from 90, or I can take the 26 and plug it in to this side to get my other angle measure. I'm just going to plug it in, so 2 times 26 plus 12. When I do that, I'm going to get 64 degrees. So I have 26 and 64 degrees.